Welcome to the Rainmaker Retreat Podcast, where lawyers learn cutting-edge marketing tactics, best practices for lead generation and lead conversion, top tips, and proven strategies to build their law firm into multi-million-dollar businesses. The Rainmaker Institute is the nation's largest legal marketing company and specializes in lead generation, lead conversion, and client retention for small to mid-sized law firms. Over the last 20 years, we have helped over 20,000 attorneys grow and market their law firm. And now, here is the host of Rainmaker Retreat.
Hey everybody, welcome to Rainmaker Retreat Podcast. I'm your host, Joe White, and today I'm going to be talking to you about Vmail. Scientists who study these things tell us that our average attention span these days is 8.5 seconds. If your email marketing has not grabbed someone by the collar in that short span, you're probably not getting the results you want from your efforts. Have you thought about Vmail? Vmail is simply email that features video. According to Campaign Monitor, videos used in email marketing can increase your open rate by almost 20% and increase click-through rates by more than 50%. It also helps reduce unsubscribe rates. The point of adding video to email is to up the engagement factor. Here are some tips to implement a successful video email strategy for your law firm. Find the best way to use video in your emails. There are a number of ways you can use video in email marketing. Embedding, linking, or using GIF images are the most common methods. The method you use should come down to several factors: cost, audience, behavior, and messaging objective. Number 2, customize your video. Just like you target your email messaging, your video content needs to be customized as well, just like you do with text emails. Choose one topic that you feel will engage the majority of your viewers. Reinforce your video message with text in the email and a clear call to action. Add social share buttons so viewers can pass it along. And remember that you don't have to be the one featured in the video. Client testimonials can be extra impactful if they are videos rather than text. Number 3, make it interesting. Let's face it, legal topics can be pretty dull stuff, so you may need to dig a little deeper in order to find topics to engage viewers. Scour the news to find timely topics to address. For example, immigration attorneys can capitalize on the DACA debate raging, or can educate and inform people. And remember to not make it too long. Keep it under 5 minutes. Number 4, don't forget the analytics. Be sure you scrutinize your analytics to see if adding video has given a boost to your open click-through and unsubscribe rates. Number 5, use other platforms. The video you produce for your email campaign or e-newsletter should also be posted on your social media pages so it gets the maximum amount of traction with your target audience.
Thank you for listening to the Rainmaker Retreat Podcast. If you would like more information about how to apply what you learned today, visit us at therainmakerinstitute.com and contact us for a complimentary strategy session. We invite you to subscribe, rate, and review our podcast, and be sure to sign up for our newsletter so you can continue to learn how to grow and market your law firm.